Welcome back to the channel, boss. Today we have this Lamborghini Huracan Evo in this striking gold colorway. Man, look at all these snowflakes, pop. So crazy, looks absolutely insane. I'd definitely get one of these if I had the money. So as we walk around by, he has the red calipers. And this gold and this sunlight is hitting right now. Gold and black accents. Take a look at this diffuser, pa. Should I call you pa or Baz? Let me know down in the comment. Pa sounds like I'm talking to one person, but Baz is like I'm talking to all of y'all. One thing I really love about these Huracans is just the aggressive headlights. Man, it just looks so insane. Definitely one of my favorite trims that we have here at the dealership. All right, boss, come check us out at Lamborghini North Houston. I'm gonna show you guys the inside as well. Let's hop right in. You got the red accents that match the red caliper spots. As we get into it, man, this car just sits so well with the real details that it has. This car will be in our showroom. If you guys want to come see it, come check it out. It's available. If you guys have any questions, want to come look for me here, my name is Luis. Just come say, hey, what's up, pal? Like, you know, I'm here to talk to you about this Huracan. I'll gladly be able to help you out with any questions you have. So I just want to film some more raw content with you guys. Turn it on. See how it sounds, pa? Come on. Let me know down below, is this one of your favorite Huracans yet? Now, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Any other car that you guys want to see in the channel, drop down below. Whether it's a Ferrari, Aston Martin, McLaren, Rolls Royce. We get it all, pa. Come on. Come on down to North Houston Lamborghini. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Stay blessed. Have a good day. And as always, be safe.